If you've been following Sony announcements or you've been following mobile technology in general, you may remember last Mobile Congress, Sony showed off a very cool smart earphone. Well, it's back this year with the final version ready for sale, and this is it. It's the Ear Duo, and we're going to take a closer look at exactly what it does. So let's take a closer look at the Ear Duos. This is a single earbud, move out of the way. You can probably see that there's a rubber section here. This fits inside your earlobe. The speaker is in here, and this section goes round the back of your ear. The idea is that this open back, that lets in the environment around you. These are really specifically designed for people who don't want to be closed off from the environment when they're listening to music. Perfect for commuters, somebody might ride a bike, somebody who works in the office and still wants to listen to music but wants to hear their colleagues if they call their name. It's a really clever design, and we've been listening to these and it works incredibly well. You can hear everything that goes around you, but it's not distracting, and if you turn the music up, you can't hear everybody. So it still works as an isolating headphone if you don't mind a bit of volume. This panel here, which fits behind your ear, is touch sensitive and it adjusts the volume. It can use track forward and track back, and we're going to show you in a second how this fits in your ear. In addition to just listening to music, these are enabled for Google Assistant or Siri use. They'll connect to your iPhone or Android device. They also provide contextual location information. So say for example, when you walk into the office, it will give you your emails. When you wake up in the morning, it'll give you a day report and your calendar information, or even weather details based on where you are. The final aspect of this is that it will deal with notifications from your phone. It'll read you emails, it'll read you text messages. So there's not really any need to remove these if you don't want to. However, the battery life isn't particularly long. You're going to get 4 hours out of use out of these, not masses. But the case itself is a battery charger, and you'll get 16 hours total use out of popping these back inside. There's also a really cool fast charging system. 7 minutes charge is an hour's use, and that's brilliant if they run out during the day and you've got an hour or less commute on the way home. 7 minutes isn't going to make any difference. The case is also really smart USB Type-C charger on the back there. So let's have a look with them fitted, and you can see how compact they are. Presumably now you can see that they've just slotted into my ear, and this section is behind. That's the touch panel for adjusting volume. I've been wearing these while I've been doing the video and while we've been having a demonstration. They're really comfortable. They're not heavy, they don't hang. They're also really secure, so I'm not going to think that they're going to fall out if I shake my head. And the shaking my head thing is quite important because they're gesture controlled, in the fact that when I move my head I can adjust the music. So if I look that way, I can change the track, go forward the track. If I've got an incoming call and want to take it, I can nod my head and it will take the call. So secure in-ear fitment is fairly important if I'm making gestures. So that's a rundown of these, the Sony Ear Duos. These are going to go on sale in the near future. They're €280 and around the sort of similar price in dollars. And we'll have all more details for you on Digital Trends.